Hey peeps, so in today's video I'm going to be taking apart this fuel tap. This is the one that Suzuki puts in RF 600 and 900. It's identical for those two bikes. Perhaps they put this in many other bikes, but I just don't know about this. This fuel tap is in fully operational condition. It doesn't leak, there's nothing wrong with it, but I don't think there is a video on YouTube showing how to take apart this particular one. So I thought I'll do it. So that's what it looks like at the back. This is how it sits on the bike. You've got your fuel hoses here, and another hose would be going there. And obviously you turn this knob to have it in reserve, on or off. So to take it all apart, you start from removing that screw here. So let's do that. Alright. Screw comes off. Now I'm just going to lift this knob. Come on. Here we have it. So let's put it aside. Then you're going to have this a rubber ring there. I guess it's like a dust seal or something. So that goes like that. And then you're going to have two very little Allen screws here. So let's take those two off as well. And second one. Then this metal plate comes off. And then here you're going to have this small metal ring, which isn't flat. This actually is, if you look at it from its side, you see how it's bent? It's more like a spring, like a diaphragm sort of spring. So there's that. And now if you pull this part here, you're going to be able to take this out. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's put it there, like that. And what you'll see there, there's going to be two seals. One of them is just like a rubber O-ring. And then at the very bottom there's going to be, I call it the face seal. There we go. Come on now. So this is what it looks like, and in the rebuild kit I believe you're going to have just those two parts, this O-ring and this seal. Over time they flatten out and perish, and the fuel tap leaks. And that's it, there's nothing there inside. Then there's just the body of the tap. So if you wanted to rebuild it, you would obviously clean this here. Then you put this seal in there. Okay, then obviously your O-ring goes in, and I think it would be a good idea to maybe lubricate those parts with something, maybe even engine oil, delicately before final assembly. So then you put that on and you basically squeeze this in, making sure it goes in straight and square. There we go. Then you've got your washer or spring, whatever you want to call it, which goes in this groove here. Yes, and then you simply cover it with that plate. Reinstall those two little screws in the corners of that plate. The dust cover would go on, and then you just make sure that it can only go in one way. You wouldn't be able to put it in any other way. So you put it in, and then finally you secure it with that little screw here. And that is it. That would be your fuel tap assembled. It's all good. Thanks for watching. Till next time.